Hey everyone, it's Adrian Teka, Senior Developer Advocate here at Viam. Today I want to show you a quick demo of the Visual Proximity Alert. So here we have our Proximity Alert machine in the Viam platform. On the left-hand side, you can see all the different modular components that comprise our Visual Alert. We have our Proximity Alert service, which has the logic, the board, and the sensor. So first let's look at the board. You'll see here that we have a configuration card as well as a test panel where you can interact directly with the GPIO pins. For example, if we wanted to set RGB LED green, which is GPIO pin 32, we can write that pin in and set the state to high. Now let's take a look at our ultrasonic sensor. Here you can see in the corresponding card all the configuration for it, the trigger pin and echo pin, which are the GPIO pins being used for it. And in the test panel, you can see the readings that we're using to get the distance. So as an object moves further back, the distance number grows, and as it moves closer, the number gets smaller. It's a great way to double check and see that the ultrasonic sensor has been configured correctly. Lastly, we have our logic, what actually makes our machine determine whether it's safe or not. So here in the Proximity Alert service, which is a module that is in the VM registry, you see we can set a safe distance, setting that to be the threshold. You also see that we've passed it the board that it is configured to as well as the sensor. And because we are using the RGB LED via the Raspberry Pi, you'll see we also send it the red pin, green pin, and blue pins that correspond to each of the cathode's legs. And that's pretty much it. Putting all of these together, we now get a really useful visual proximity alert. So how would you use this in the real world? Well, you could provide safety cues to those who are hearing impaired or place them in areas where auditory alerts might be missed. You could also use this in the construction industry or anywhere there's heavy machinery and a chance for workers to possibly run into them. You could use color-coded displays to indicate how close people are to the area of danger. Or you could use this to avoid collisions in, say, really high traffic kitchens. Corner?